When you're using the library catalog, you have a couple of options, and one of those options is to do an advanced search. Let's say you have a more detailed search that you want to do in the library catalog. You do a basic search and you get too many results. So there are a couple of things that you can do to help narrow down your search. Whenever you click on this icon here for advanced, you'll get this search screen. And you'll see a couple of boxes where you can type in search terms, maybe the name of an author or a particular title, and you can string together a couple of keywords. How this works is the boxes themselves, they're tied together by this box right here. And just remember, when you're doing a search in the advanced search, and, or not. What this does is, let's say you want to search for books on Methodism and John Wesley. If you use "and" to string together Methodism and John Wesley, you'll be searching for books where John Wesley and Methodism are mentioned together. Okay, so just to demonstrate to you, let's do a search using the "and" function. Okay, I see here I have 15 books. All right, now that's not a lot. I know that there's more books out there that deal with the subject. Let's say I wanted to broaden my search and get more results. What I could do is click on "or." All right, and what this does is this strings together the keywords Methodism and John Wesley together. The difference here is that instead of searching for books where John Wesley and Methodism is mentioned together, I'm searching for all books that mention Methodism and all books that mention John Wesley. All right, so they don't have to appear together either in the same title or somewhere in the same record. So maybe a book about contemporary Methodism would show up, and also a biography of John Wesley's life if I use the "or" search. All right, so let's do a search for this. All right, and you see here I broaden the search. Now I get 101 results. So that's one way to broaden your search, is by doing an "or" search. The final thing that you can do is a "not" search. And there's only a couple of limited reasons why you might want to use this. Let's say you're taking a class on apologetics and you want to search for books written about the topic of apologetics, not written by Norm Geisler. It's, say for example, in your class you have Norm Geisler's books as your textbook, and you want to read what other people have written in the area of apologetics. So what you could do is you would do an all-word search, which again is like a keyword search for apologetics, and under the second box here, click on author. We'll just type in his last name since it's not that common. And what this does, this searches for apologetics as a keyword, and books that are not written by Norm Geisler. Okay, so when I do a search, I see here there's 159 books that are somehow related to apologetics, not written by Norm Geisler. And just to show you the effect, if I deleted his name from this field and I did a search, I now get 162 results, which tells me there's an additional 3 books about apologetics that we own that are written by Norm Geisler. So that's just a quick overview of how you would use the advanced search features in the library catalog. Thanks for watching.